Hey guys, so I wrote kind of like a paper on this lecture just to kind of get my notes down and get my kind of thoughts together. Um, so kind of the first question that was really stood out to me, like what is a selfie? How does it connect with communication? That's something that we've been thinking about for the past couple weeks, and we've kind of had the time to um, get acquainted with. And so we all kind of know what selfies are, what the concept of them are, and there's so much that goes into a selfie. There's a lot of depth to a selfie that a lot of people don't know about, and we've had um, kind of the information given to us that other people haven't really been insightful in looking for. Um, and so basically, it's the personalization of what we want people to perceive us as. Um, Basically, if we put out a selfie, we're only gonna put out the best selfies that we can. We only want people to see our best pictures in most cases, um, and trying to get the most likes. So the best pictures get the most likes. Just kind of works out that way. Um, and then I talked about Instagram basically being a book for digital pictures or photos or whatever. Um, and in that, you can post a lot of selfies, but you can also post a lot of different pictures, a lot of, uh, endless things you can post pictures of on there. They're used to elicit emotion, um, and in most cases, people follow trends when uploading pictures. So, like when the selfie took off, it took off. Everybody kind of followed that trend and decided they wanted to post pictures of themselves. Um, and I remember reading something a while ago that said that we post pictures of things that we want to hold on to, that we want to remember, that we want to have close to our hearts. And I think it's kind of funny that we post pictures of ourselves when we're posting pictures to remember things by. Usually when you take a picture and you print it out, you want to have it to remember. And if you put a picture of a selfie on Instagram, you're just trying to remember yourself. It doesn't really make sense. But again, it's everyone's individual preference. And then the relationship between a person and a social media platform, and this can differ from social media platform to social media platform. Like on Facebook, one person might not be as rash as they might be on Twitter. They might not post things on Instagram that they would post on Facebook. Everybody has a different type of personality on the different platform because of how it's set up, who they follow, who they're friends with, who likes their posts, all those types of things. So, in essence, everyone's individual personality is what makes their social media account great, or unique. And same goes for selfies, and that's kind of how I see all of what we've been going over. Is selfies are extremely unique, and they're individualized to the person. Thank you.